Today I have some exciting news for you. Samsung's two mid-range phones, the Galaxy A34 and Galaxy A54, might be available very soon. According to Steve Hemmerstoffer, a reliable leaker and insider, these phones might be unveiled on March 15th. Indeed, it's just a few days away. That also makes sense given that Samsung normally releases its mid-range phones around this time of year. Remember last year's Galaxy A53 and A33? They were announced on March 17, 2022. Thus this rumor seems to be true. But nothing is official until Samsung says so. So take this with a grain of salt and stay tuned for additional information. Let's go into what we may anticipate from these phones now. If you're searching for a mid-range smartphone that will wow you with its performance and features, the forthcoming Samsung Galaxy A54 is worth a look. The latest Exynos 1380 chipset will power this device, promising smooth and speedy multitasking. You'll also love viewing films and playing games on the 6.4-inch Super AMOLED screen, which offers an impressive FHD plus resolution and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. The front camera features a little punch hole cutout on the screen, which is significantly smaller than the one on the 6.5-inch Galaxy A53. The Galaxy A54's photographic abilities will also wow you, as it has a triple camera configuration at the rear. The 50MP primary camera, the 12MP ultra-wide camera, and the 5MP telephoto lens will allow you to take stunning pictures. The Galaxy A54 will sport 8GB of RAM and either 128GB or 256GB of storage capacity. Nevertheless, bear in mind that this device may not have a microSD card port, so select your storage choice carefully. But what if you want something a little less expensive? Then consider the Galaxy A34 instead. This phone will likewise feature a 6.6-inch Super AMOLED screen with FHD plus resolution and 120 Hz refresh rate, but it will have a V-shaped notch for the front camera instead of a punch hole cutout. The MediaTek Dimensity 900 processor will power the Galaxy A34, which is still pretty capable for daily usage. This device also has 6 or 8GB of RAM and 128 or 256GB of storage. The Galaxy A34, on the other hand, will feature a different camera configuration than the Galaxy A54. It will include a 48MP primary camera, an 8MP ultra-wide camera, and a 5MP macro camera for close-up images. The front camera will have a good 13MP sensor. The Galaxy A54 and A34 will also have some unique features that will set them apart from the competition. Both phones, for example, will have a massive 5000 mAh battery that can be charged swiftly with 25W charging. They will also be water and dust resistant to IP67 standards, allowing them to withstand minor spills and splashes. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.